Hi, I'm Cori from Cori Style, and in today's video I will be sharing with you an unboxing of a new Sylvanian family. This family was released I think like a year ago, but finally I was able to buy it. And I'm gonna show you a little bit of the box. As always, we have in here like the Sylvanian family brand. We have the name of the family. This is the Japanese version, so it's in Japanese. It has the ID of the product, and as always you can see at the front some pictures and extra information of the set. On the side you get like the contents of the box, and at the back we have like a small, I guess it's like a small story or extra information on the characters of this family. So now I'm gonna open it very carefully on the side and start showing you the contents. The first thing I got was this paper with some of the recommendations or instructions on how to use some of the contents. And as always, we got this mini tiny book with a small story about the brother and sister. I usually keep them. They are in Japanese, but as some of you know, I am trying to practice more Japanese and learn way more Japanese, so they will be handy for me. I will try to read them and translate them, so I will have fun with them. And now let's move on to the bear family. First, I'm gonna remove all the tape from the back so I can pull them out of the box. We are gonna start with the bear brother. His outfit, I liked it. I love the colors. Blue is one of my favorite colors. And I really like that extra touch of pink color on the buttons. The outfit of the sister is also super pretty. As always, they usually open and close on the back with some Velcro. And in here I'm just checking, they have the tiny hole on the foot and just checking the quality overall, but they look very nice, same as the other families that I have acquired. And as we could see earlier, the theme of this family or of this box is a picnic. So you get a picnic box. Inside you have like some very cute cookies or bread in the shape of a bear. You have some plates. This, how do you call this, like a bottle, a water bottle. Inside has an extra piece that you can place inside the cup, so it will look like you have some milk in there. And following the first paper with the instructions, you can assemble a cheese sandwich or a tomato sandwich. And since you have two plates, you can make two sets of food with a sandwich and one of those cookies, which I think they look super cute. The detail on the miniatures is very nice, and I think it goes very well with this picnic theme. The other thing we got is this small yellow mat to place beneath the basket and all of those items. And we also got an extra hat for the sister's outfit. I know it goes on the ear, but I was trying to see if I could place the hat somewhere else, but I think at the end it looks better on the ear. And in here I just wanted to show you the differences of the other family and this new family of bears. The head on the new family looks a little bit smaller, And of course the fur length is different, so these new bears are way softer and more fluffy than the previous family, but they are both very pretty. Lastly, I decided to take some pictures and some extra clips for this video. Since I own this small bakery house, which I also work on it on a past video on this channel. If I don't forget, I'll leave it in the description below. But I think it went very well with this picnic theme, so I placed it at the back, the bakery. I grabbed some of the pies in there to put it on the picnic mat. I think it looks very pretty. And then in the back you can see the little baby bear trying to get close and maybe grab some of the cookies or some of the bread. I had a lot of fun setting all this for the video. And I think with this family I finally completed my Sylvanian family collection, because I usually just buy the ones I really want. I don't collect them all. So well, that's it for today's video. If you liked it, please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe. I hope you have a nice day, and I will see you soon in a new video. Bye bye!